unlike the older. All right. Let's go to the left-hand side, page 584, number 7. Is this a geometric sequence? If so, what is the value of r? Go ahead and try that out. Okay, we're back. Yes, it's geometric. You're multiplying by 2 each time. So yes, we're multiplying times 2, so r equals 2. So that's all you needed to write. Yes, and r equals 2. I guess you didn't need the exclamation point, but I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know, I want to do math. So for 34, we need to write the explicit formula and the first 5 terms. A1 equals 7 and r equals 1. Go ahead and do that. Write an explicit formula and write the first 5 terms. And this is a little special, so don't worry if it looks kind of silly. Go ahead. Okay, your explicit formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. Now let's plug stuff in here. That's 7 times your ratio is 1 to the n minus 1 power. And that's silly. That's just going to be 7. 1 to any power is going to be 1. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. Then times 7 will give you 7. So the first term is 7 times 1. The second term is 7. The third term times 1 is 7. The fourth term times 1 is 7. The fifth term times 1 is 7. So that's number 34. A little silly. Silly poo. Number 44. We're going to fill in these blanks. We have 972, blank, 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 12. There are a couple different ways to approach this. Go ahead. Alrighty, let's see. If we take 972 times r, it will be that. Times r again, it would be that. Times r again, it would be that. Times r again, it would be that. So 972 times r times r times r times r will give you that. Okay, let me see here. So this would be 972. R to the 4th power equals 12 over 972. Okay, now you might look at this and think, impossibleness. Look, they set all these fractions up so they reduce a lot. Most of the time they reduce all the way. So just work with them a little bit, all right? Keep those calculators away. If I see them, I'm going to snatch them. So 972 divided by 12. 12 and the 97, let me see. These are feet, right? So 8 feet is 96 inches. There we go. And there's a 1. And this is great. 81 is a perfect 4th power. So that's cool. So that reduced to 1 over 81. Take the 4th root of both sides. 4th root of 81 is 3. So we're dividing by 1/3 each time. So let me rewrite my answer blanks here. 972, blank, 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 12. You know, we're dividing by 3 each time. That means you're multiplying by 3 each time going the other way. So this is going to be 36 times 3, 6, 8, okay. And times 3 is going to be 3. There we go. And double check that. Yeah. Good. Okay. So, dividing by 3, 972 divided by 3, or times 1/3 is that, times 1/3 is that, times 1/3 is that, times 1/3 is that. You also have the negative 1/3, so 972 times negative 1/3, times negative 1/3, times negative 1/3, times negative 1/3. Beautiful. You also could do this using the geometric mean. They kind of hint at that. And what you would have to do, well, you have to multiply the two numbers and take the square root. Let me scooch back up here. and that will give you the middle number here. So if you took 972 times 12 and then took the square root, that will give you the middle number here. I don't think that's much faster in this case. I prefer my fractions here. So as you're going through your homework, I know the back of the book gives you some decimals. I want to see your fractions. Put your calculators away. Be smart. Beautiful. Your 3 questions. And your assignment. Is those problems. When we do our quiz, it's going to be no calculator and do your fractions, no stupid decimals. So just do it. Peace out.